All right, welcome to Creator Hardware, and this is just a update on my UNRAID server where I broke it. This is just a quick video to let you all know that it's fixed. And as several suggested, and I had thought myself after I'd done the video, occupying the second M.2 slot shut down that PCI 16 slot. So all to do is remove that from the array, and well, everything is fine as far as that. It is fixed. Power outages and having to shut it down. I am behind on parity sync. I added the 8 terabyte that I had installed as a second parity drive, which is one of the biggest reasons why I did this upgrade, is so I had 2 parity drives instead of just one. Now it's mismatched for right now, but I'll later on change that. But I need to get this parity drive written before I swap in a different parity drive. But going to the dashboard, it's currently rebuilding. Because of power outages, I've had to, do it again all over again. So I haven't been able to set up my other 2 drives in the array simply because it's rebuilding parity. And well, it is what it is. But dropping my cache down to 1 terabyte should be too big of a deal, considering I no longer use this as an editing NAS. I use my TrueNAS Scale 1 for that. So it's just a quick little update that everything is now back up and running. And I did that. I did everything to make sure it was up and running all over again. And well, using both M.2 slots on my B550 motherboard shut down a PCI slot. So I didn't think about it because, well, my editing PC uses both M.2 slots. I think I have 3 on that board, but I use the X16 slot as well. My gaming PC, streaming PC, has 2 M.2s in it, and my X16 slots both work. So I didn't think that it disabled it, but apparently it did. So anyway, thanks for watching. This is Creator Hardware.